Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sammy New, and for today's video I'll be showing you my go-to makeup that I'll be rocking this summer if we're allowed to go without masks finally. So I do want to show out. I want to be glowy, I want to be bronzy for this summer. So stick around and make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video and comment down below. Let's jump right into the video. So I'm going to go in first with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is one of my go-to favorite primer because this is so tacky and it lets my makeup last all day. And since that I am dry as Sahara Desert, and I do live in a desert, mind you, I need all the hydration I can get. So for my foundation, I'll be using my Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And I like to mix it with my NARS foundation as well. I like this combination because this is more on the drier side and this one is more on the hydration side, so it does give me like a semi matte type of foundation look but still not drying. And silly me, I was supposed to use my Iconic London Illuminator before I put on my foundation, but I totally forgot, so I'm just going to blend some into the foundation and I'm just going to blend this out. So I forgot to shave my mustache. I'll be back. Ciao. A little better now. For concealer, I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chai. So to give my face a brighter look, I'm going to go in and top that off with my Dose of Color concealer in the shade 21 Dark and blend this out. Now I'm going to set the areas that I have concealed with both my Fenty Beauty setting powder in Honey and my Beauty Bakery setting powder in the shade Almond. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with my MAC Mineralized setting powder in the shade Deep Dark. Girl, I don't even remember how to do my makeup because I totally forgot to do a little bit of contour, which I haven't done in a long time. So I want to experience some contouring for this summer. So I'm going to try to contour over the powder, which I have never done before. So I'm just going to hope for the best, but I think it can work. It seems to be working. So I think this looks okay. So I'm going to reset my face with the MAC Skin Finish Mineralized Powder again. So now I'm going to move on to my brows. I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade Dip Powder in the shade Ebony. So I'm going to clean this up with my Pretty Vulgar concealer in the shade 297H. So for my eyes, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. So for my eyes, I'm going to keep it simple and I'll be using my Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. So first I'll be going in with this shade Magma on my lid area and blend it up into the creases. And to diffuse it out, I'm going to go in with the shade Sunburn right here. And for the lid area, I'm going to go in with this shade called Platinum. And I'm just going to use this fluffy brush just to diffuse it. And to top it off with the same brush, I'm just gonna go in with this shade called True Bronze right here just to top it off and diffuse it just a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in back with the shade Magma right here to just diffuse everything and let it come together. Now I'm gonna line my lashes, no wings, because I know I'm gonna mess it up. So I'm just gonna do just a basic liner. Now I'm going to top this off with my Milk Kush Waterproof Mascara. This is one of my favorite because I think that it elongates my lashes a lot. So I might not need any false lashes for this look. So I was going to use some false lashes, but I changed my mind. I don't even think I need them. That's why I like to use this mascara so much, because to me it elongates my eyelashes that I don't really need any false lashes. So I'm not gonna put on any. But my favorite realistic type of eyelashes are from Kiss, and these ones are super natural. I'll make sure to link them down below if you are interested in some really nice, sleek, natural lashes. To bronze, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy. So for blush, I'll be using my MAC blush in the shade Raisin, and this is one of my favorite blush from MAC. And to highlight, I'll be using my Natasha Denona Bronze Cheek Face Glow Palette, and I'll be using the Bounce Glow shade right here with my beauty sponge on the highest point of my cheekbone, down the bridge of my nose, and to top it off, I'm going to mix both the Super Glow Bronze and the Super Glow Nude together. And I'm gonna set my face with the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray. And I'm going to blend everything in with my beauty blender or my beauty sponge. For lips, I'll be using my ColourPop lip liner in the shade Control. And I'm going to top it off with this Too Faced lip gloss in the shade 2 Nightstand. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you think of my go-to summer look that I'll be rocking this year. If we are finally not going to be able to wear masks anymore, I do want to look like this every day. So let me know down below what you think of this look. If you do like it, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.